Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, backup camera, steering wheel controls, heated front seats, push button start, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.